Namaste everyone and welcome to Supergrad SCAT. Today I'll be throwing light on the best business school in India for international business, the Indian Institute of Foreign Trade. So let's begin. The Indian Institute of Foreign Trade New Delhi campus was established way back in 1963 as an autonomous body to help India's external trade sector get a boost. So it's an autonomous body under the Ministry of Commerce, Government of India. But since then, it has come leaps and bounds. In 2002, it was given the deemed to be university status. Today, it is one of the top 5% of the business schools in the entire world to be accredited with the AACSB status. And just last year, for the batch of 22-23, it was ranked number 1. IFT was ranked number 1 as the most competitive B school in India. So I think all these informations are very common across all the social media platforms. So IFT के बारे में, I think what people need is an insider's perspective. So this is what I'm going to share with you today. Over and above the common knowledge that is available to everyone, I think it's very important that me being from the batch of 2012 would shed light on how is IFT's MBA-IB curriculum, which is its flagship course offered across Delhi and Kolkata campuses, different from some of the regular courses across the top B schools in the country. So let's start first with the flagship course MBA in International Business. I think एक बहुत कॉमन मिथ जो बहुत लोग शेयर करते हैं वो ये कि सर आई एम मोर इंटरेस्टेड इन द डोमेन ऑफ फाइनेंस, मार्केटिंग में मेरा इंटरेस्ट है, ऑपरेशंस में इंटरेस्ट है, तो MBA-IB इज नॉट रियली द फील्ड फॉर मी, मुझे इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस में नहीं जाना. सो लेट्स फर्स्ट क्लियर दिस मिथ आउट कि MBA in International Business is the final degree that you will get after 2-year का कोर्स. What is it that you learn? इस 2 साल के प्रोग्राम में आप क्या सीखोगे? So 2-year MBA-IB curriculum is just like any other MBA curriculum that you get to study across any of the top P schools in the country. So अगर आप IIM अहमदाबाद, बैंगलोर, कलकत्ता का curriculum compare करेंगे with IFT, you get to study all the subjects that you get to study in top B schools like ABC, whether it be fundamentals of marketing, finance, operations, IT, systems, HR, etc. and so on. How is this program different is you also get to study international subjects for these domains. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आप फर्स्ट ट्राइमेस्टर एट IFT में मार्केटिंग पढ़ोगे तो सेकेंड ट्राइमेस्टर में गेट टू स्टडी इंटरनेशनल मार्केटिंग. अगर फर्स्ट ट्राइमेस्टर में आप फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट पढ़ते हो तो सेकेंड ट्राइमेस्टर में you'll get to study international financial management. Same is the case with economics. You'll get to study international economics. Macro economic के concepts के over and above you'll get a overall world view of what is happening in the world. Similarly, एक interesting part IFT के curriculum का है that you have a subject called WTO. WTO, World Trade Organization, is in fact a subject. Imagine एक मल्टीलैटरल इंस्टीट्यूशन एक सब्जेक्ट के तौर पर पढ़ाया जा रहा है फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टैंड द डोमेन ऑफ डूइंग इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस वेल. इसके अलावा वन वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग दैट यू गेट टू डू इन IFT इज टू हैव अ port visit. You can have a domestic port visit across the domestic ports of Mumbai, Kolkata, etc. Or you can have an international seaport visit on ports like Dubai, Singapore, etc. Now, what do you get to learn in a typical port visit? Imagine आप किसी seaport पे जा रहे हो जहाँ पर you get to see कि actual cargo upload कैसे हो रहा है ships पे. What are the various documents required for clearances for a cargo to sail from let's say India to Singapore? So मुंबई पोर्ट से अगर सिंगापुर जा रहा है पोर्ट तो उसके लिए क्या प्रोसेस फॉलो होगी, कस्टम्स के क्लियरेंसेस कैसे होंगे, किस तरह का डॉक्यूमेंटेशन क्या होगा. इमेजिन यू एक्चुअली गेट टू सी अ लाइव बिल ऑफ लीडिंग. तो बिल ऑफ लीडिंग शायद आपने थ्योरी में कॉन्सेप्ट में पढ़ा हो, आप वो एक्चुअल अपने हाथ से खुद देखोगे कि हाउ इज इट that it is used when it comes to international trade operations. So this international experience exposure का feature जो IFT के curriculum में inbuilt है, how does it help you to become a good manager when it comes to domestic companies? So suppose you want to take up a role in the domain of let's say marketing, FMCG में आपको जाना है या investment banker बनना है या consultant बनना है, whatever be your area of interest, how is it that an exposure in international business will help you do your job well? You know, there is a very famous line, just listen to this. If you want to compete in domestic markets, you need to be competitive in international markets. Understand this, in today's day and age of globalization, to be able to compete domestically, you have to compete internationally, and which is what a curriculum in international business offers. Over and above this, if you think of another interesting feature that IFT has, it's its Center for WTO Studies. There is a campus Center for WTO Studies inside IFT, जिससे कि बहुत सारे लाइव प्रोजेक्ट जो WTO रिलेटेड रहते हैं वो स्टूडेंट्स को मिल जाते हैं. सेम थिंग हैपन्स विद बीइंग अ पार्ट ऑफ मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कॉमर्स. इमेजिन गेटिंग टू डू लाइव प्रोजेक्ट्स विद ऑल द डिफरेंट मिनिस्ट्रीज. That's a fabulous experience to have a real hands-on learning that you get by working on some of these projects. So ये तो कुछ exceptional चीज़ें हो गई जो IFT के बारे में थी. Standard things like placements, if you look at the international placements, the highest international salary was 85.4 lakhs per annum for the batch of last year. Now just to give you some insider perspective again here, international placements mein IFT has always stood out. In fact, if you look at the last decade, I think for more than 6 or 7 years, the highest CTC offered for international location was always more than 1 CR. Yes, 1,50,000 US dollars was the annual CTC for the highest package that was received by an IFT student across 5 or 6 years in the last decade. When it comes to the average CTC, 29.1 lakh was the average CTC for the last year, and the median CTC was around 26 lakhs. Now these are all interesting figures, but as I said, आपका real experience रहता है for the 2-year residential learning that you get. It's a 2-year residential program, the kind of students that you get to interact with, the kind of peer learning that you have, and the kind of faculty members, the kind of accreditation with the top universities. You tend to spend 1 trimester abroad. There are collaborations with universities in the Europe, in US, where you get to spend 1 trimester abroad if you happen to take that course. So all in all, IFT offers a complete MBA curriculum with an edge of having an international exposure attached to it. So with this, I'll take a leave. Ciao, bye.